I have about 10 minutes until I'm supposed to leave. Anytime that I have to get ready really quick, I will have to do my skin first. When you do your skin first, you're really able to see the intensity level of the rest of the makeup. Best primer when you are oily. This Maybelline foundation. You will love it if you are more on the dry side and you want medium coverage. Pack Trick Tall Dimension 3. It's too good. I really want like a super bright inner and like very smoky on the outer is what like I envisioned in my head. Hi, she's not busted anymore. I saw my Alphaba makeup video, you will know what I mean. Using the side and the tip of this brush to kind of fan out that charcoal color, because then I'm gonna go in and add some of the warmer browns, the more reddish browns. You see that difference? How much more red that is. Do not concern yourself with blending right away. It takes too much time. So I'm just going to keep adding what I want and then blend at the very end. I'm using the cream in this palette. I absolutely love that he has creams in his palette, because I'm still going to add some black to the corner here. And I chose this really small tight brush. This is like a good packer, like you can really press and pack in the color. Keep it nice and low, especially with my eye shape. I want to look more cat. I'm not trying to have the smoky eye go, the black part go like all the way up. A really firm blending brush. This is like medium pressure because I really want things to blend together. So I'm using just a little bit more pressure opposed to when I was first putting on the shadows. It was like hardly any pressure because I just wanted a really soft diffused look. But this, especially with the black, like really getting it blended out, I'm using more pressure. Liquid, I've been into liquid liner, you guys. Like, let's just, I'm hooded, so I like mine to go up. And then out, I will just start coloring in. And I typically don't go too much on the inner because my eyes are not super large. And the more black you have of something, it minimizes it. So that's why we love a little black dress, ladies, right? My only critique with this liner, I love this L'Oreal, it's the Infallible, is that it's like when you go back over, what I've noticed is like trying to go back over it, it starts getting crusty. I mean, at this point, I've pretty much tried every eyeliner except for, you know what, Rare Beauties. And I heard theirs is good. And I am a huge Rare Beauty fan, so I should try it. But if you guys have any, if you know what I'm talking about, like when you just go you want to blacken it, you want to whatever, and once it's kind of starts drying and you go over and it starts like crumbling and flaking off, if you know about eyeliner that doesn't do that, tell me. But L'Oreal, if you could work on that, that would be great. I wasn't lying. I'm a fan, especially of her highlights. They're so, so good. I'm gonna do this again before, like concealer for me is just, I really, really love doing it last. Again, this is Rare Beauty Grace. Super pigmented, so putting it on directly sometimes is like not the play. Boy, more of a coral color. See what I mean? They're so pigmented. And contour. Bronze. It's not focusing, but it's the Rare Beauty in Always Sunny. So you always want to do all of your creams together, any liquid products, and then once you start setting your makeup, then you go with your powder, highlighter, blush, bronzer, etc. Here's the final look. I am running so behind. Make sure to ask me any questions in the comments. I love you guys. Happy Thanksgiving. Subscribe or follow depending where you're watching this. And I'll see you soon. Mwah!